Hi, I'm Ollie from Electra-Zoom. Now today I'm going to give you a run through and unboxing of the Xiaomi 1S. The 1S takes over from the M365, Xiaomi's and the world's best-selling electric scooter. The 1S has got some great new features. Let's take a look. Opening box, greeted with a little safety and usage guide which we put in there ourselves, so you can have a bit of a run through that. First thing to do, lift the scooter up. Make sure you lift the locking mechanism up and make sure the safety clip is in place. That'll now stay there while you're working on the scooter. You've got to put the handlebar unit onto the stem. Just make sure this is plugged in, otherwise when you come to turn it on, the handlebars won't have any power, so make sure that it is clipped in and carefully feed that down the stem. Next thing is we've got the stem bolts. Now these are in the box with the charger. There are 5, but you'll only notice 4 holes and 1 is just a spare. They've got a little bit of Loctite on and they just go in and you nip them up till they're tight. So in the same box you'll find the screws and the little tool. We've got the actual charger block for the scooter. Little valve adapter, just pumping the tyres up. And the product user manual, which we recommend reading before you ride. Right, we need to get it out the box. Make sure your latch is fully up. Grab the stem and then just grab underneath the footboard. There's a little bit of a lip you can pick that up with. Once you've got it out of the box, make sure it's all sturdy and secure. And obviously the most important thing is to check the brakes are working. Give the brake lever on the left hand side a good squeeze and you'll see the cable at the back moving and clamping against the disc. You can also give it a bit of a spin if you want. Peel this back and turn the scooter on. You'll notice it's beeping away. You need to install the Xiaomi Home app just to watch a quick safety video before the scooter will work for the first time. So as I mentioned, you need to download the Xiaomi Home app. You see it here, green with the white Xiaomi emblem. If you open that up and turn the scooter on, just allow the terms and conditions. We're beeping away, click add in the top right corner. You'll see the scooter pop up there. Now I've clicked the scooter, just for the first time it'll make you watch this quick little safety video. Once you've synced the scooter up to the app, you can turn the scooter back on. The scooter has a little safety parameter, so it's got to be doing 3 miles an hour or more before the power kicks in. So when you're riding, just give it a good scoot along. But you can also test that now while it's in the air, just check it's all running and working. Just give the front wheel a little bit of a spin and gauge the power. The Xiaomi 1S here comes with 3 rider modes. You see the little logo of the man walking there. That's the slowest mode, limits the speed to about 4-5 miles an hour. Double tap the power button. That goes up into D, normal mode if you like. Double tap that again. That goes S into sport, which is your fastest mode. We'll get a top speed of about 15-16 miles an hour. And if you tap the power button once, that'll turn the lights on. You've got a little light logo there, and that's front and rear. Whilst braking, the rear light will also flash. The Xiaomi 1S is an evolution from the M365, the world's most popular and recognised electric scooters. Some of the new features include an improved rear mudguard design with these stays for added strength. This also houses a bigger, more effective rear light. Got a bigger disc at the back, so the brakes are more effective. We've also got improved reflectors, both at the rear on the side and at the front. One of the things that makes the Xiaomi scooters so popular is how portable they are. Simply twist the safety cap away, pull the lever down and fold. Where the bell is simply clips on to the latch on the mudguard and you're good to pick the scooter up and carry away. Charging the scooters really simple. Plug the charger into the base of the scooter and it's about 5.5 hours to fully charge the scooter. You've got an indicator on both the charger and battery percentage will show on the display screen.